Hello, thank you for visiting my gardening channel in YouTube. Today I'm going to talk about fertilizers for citrus trees. I took a class at college, and I learned a lot about nutrients that plants need, and in particular when they're flowering for setting fruit, they need both calcium and potassium. This one in particular has a lot of calcium and also iron, which helps trees, and it has very low nitrogen, which if you put a lot of it, it'll burn the plants, but this one doesn't. So you can use it in lawns, flowers, shrubs, vegetables, and trees. And I have very good results with this one. It has a total only 1% nitrogen and soluble potash, 1% calcium. It has 8%, so it's high. Sulfur is 5%. Iron is 20%. So it's been giving me very good results. What you do is here I have a plant that is flowering. It's losing dropping a lot of flowers, so it's probably missing nutrients. So I'm gonna just drop a little on it. You can actually place like a half a cup fertilizer on the bottom, and you can cover it with soil. This one won't burn it, so you won't harm it, and it'll give it the nutrients that it needs. I'll have an update in about 2 weeks, see how it did, and if it set fruit. As I said, this one was dropping a lot of fruit. You can see right here, those are dying and dropping. So in my opinion, I think it needs more nutrients. So definitely this will help, and I'll have an update for you in 2 weeks. Thank you for watching.